Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mask on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to add my video to the CapCut timeline or track, and I'm going to apply mask to this video, for example. So we can go to the mask menu right here. You can select your video and then you can choose mask. Okay, and you can choose the shape of the mask you want to apply to your video. You can select horizontal, mirror, or circle, or rectangle, or heart, or star. You can choose the mask that you like, and I'm going to choose heart. And then you can place the mask to to the part of your video you want to mask. Okay, I'm just going to place it right here, and then you can go back to the basic, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to mask on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.